So teaching you maths of class 9th, coordinate geometry, chapter 3, exercise 3.2. Write the answer of each of the following. What is the name of the horizontal and vertical line drawn in the to determine the position of any point in the Cartesian plane? So horizontal line is called x-axis or abscissa, vertical line is called y-axis or ordinate. Second one is given, what is the name of each part of the plane formed by these two lines, that is the quadrant. Write the name of the point where two lines intersect, it is origin. So that I have written quadrants and the origin. Question number 2 is given, you plot these points B, C. One figure is given, that figure is given in the book. You see that it is a figure given in the book. In this you want to get different questions are given, according to this you will give the answer. First of all, I have drawn here the figure what is given in the book. The question is given, first question, the ordinate of B. Ordinate of B is here. Ordinate means value of y. So value of y is this. So coordinate of B is minus 5 comma 2. Minus 5 comma 2, which gives you the ordinate 2. What is the ordinate? Ordinate if given, then coordinate is given. If the coordinate asking, then minus x comma y minus 5 comma 2. If the ordinate given, then only you write 2. But here question is given, find the coordinate of B. Coordinate of B means x-axis comma y-axis. Y is 2, x is minus 5 comma 2. Coordinate of C. Where is the C? C is given here. So x you read first 5 and then y is minus 5. So it is 5 comma minus 5. Third part, what is given? Abscissa of, no, coordinate of E. Where is the point E given? First you see the point E. Where is the point E? Here. Abscissa. Abscissa means minus 3. Coordinate of E. Coordinate of E is minus 3 x-axis and y-axis is minus 5. Minus 3 comma minus 5. It is given point, it is in the question, it is not given. Your question is the point identified by the coordinate minus 3 minus 5. So minus 3 minus 5 you search. Minus 3 and then will come to the minus 5 and this indicate point E. So it is a point E. A coordinate is given 2 comma minus 4. Search which is point. 2 comma minus 4 this. This is the point whose coordinate is 2 comma minus 5. Minus 4. That is G. What is the point? G. Abscissa of D. Where is the D? D is given here. Abscissa of D means value of x, 6. Abscissa of D is 6. Ordinate of H. Where is the H? H is here. Ordinate means value of y. Y is on this, you will get minus 3. So ordinate is minus 3. Coordinate of L. Coordinate of L. Where is the L is given at the top? Y axis. X is 0, 0 comma 5. Here is the answer. Coordinate of M. Where is the M given? M is given here. So on x axis y will be 0. So minus 3 comma 0. It will be minus 3 comma 0. So plotting of the points. Plotting of the point on the Cartesian plane. Next topic is given. Example number 3. Locate these points on the Cartesian plane. These points are given. So first of all you will draw the point Cartesian plane. How will you locate? 5 0. Where is the 5? Point is given 5 0. 5, I have drawn the line according 1 centimeter. 5 0. First you see the 5 is here. 5 0, this is the point whose coordinate is 5 comma 0. Another is 0 comma 5. X is 0, you will go up to 5. Here it is a point 0 comma 5. 2 comma 5, 2 is here and then from the 2 you will go up till 5. It is the comma 2 comma 5. Put the dot, both the intersecting point and put the circle. 5 comma 2, 5 is here. 5 comma 2 this point. 5 on horizontal line, 2 will be up. 1, 2. This is the dot you put on both the line. 2 and 5 intersect and then put the circle. It is a point 5 comma 2. 2 comma 5 and 5 comma 2 different. Minus 3, 5. Where is the minus 3? Here. From minus 3 we will go up. Where? Till 5. So it is the point dot and this is minus 3 comma 5. -3 comma -5, -3 comma -5, -3 is here, downward, -5 is here. Till here we will come. From this line you see -3 comma -5 will go downward because -5 is here, down direction. So from -5 here both are intersecting, and this point is -3 comma -5. And then 6 comma 1, it is given last point 6 comma 1. Where is 6? This and 1 is here, 6 comma 1. This point is 6 comma 1. So you have already located all the point on the Cartesian plane. So how will you locate? It is very important things. Now the example 4 is given. These points are given. Plot the following point on x and y of the number here numbers as points in the Cartesian plane using 1 centimeter 1 unit. So I have drawn this by the scale, not the graph. So these I have let these points. What is given in the table form: a -3 comma 7 x comma y, b 0 comma this, c -1 -3, d is this, e is this. So in this if you can write like ABCD, or it is first point, second point, third, fourth, fifth. Plot it. First one is given -3 comma 7. First I have plot by scale. First of all I am drawing a line like this. Then 90° I have drawn one more line and counting. Here how will you check? Y is 7 and 4. 7 plus 4, 12. At least 12 centimeter line must be here. And then x maximum value 3, negative and positive, 4 plus 3, 7. At least 7 centimeter this line you draw, and 1 centimeter I have put the dots. Upper I have taken 7. First point is -3 comma 7. Where is -3? This side. From here -3 you will put a scale. If in the graph paper there is no need of scale. From -3 we will go up, and from x-axis we will draw a line horizontal. Not drawing the line, but it is because it is graph, you will get this dark line. So here where the -3 is going, that dot indicate the -3 comma 7. It is your first point. Second is given 0 comma 3.5, minus 0, then 3, then 3.5, half this. This point is 0 comma minus 3.5. Another is given -1 -3. -1 then -3. -1 we will come down, and here -1 will come this, and then it will be a -1 comma -3. -1 comma -3. 4 comma 4. What is the 4? 4 is a point here, and if there is a problem, if you are not drawing in the graph but you use the graph, so till the 4 you will go up here, and from here I will plot a line 4 comma 4. So what are you getting? Dotted line I am indicating, but in the graph paper no need of this dotted line. So it is a point which is 4 comma 4. Another point is 2 comma -3. Where is the 2 comma -3? 2 comma -3. From 2 we will come down till here. From here, and then you put the dot, it will be a 2 comma -3. So it is your example number 4. Now we will see the last exercise 3.3. There is a given: in which of quadrant on which axis do each of the points lie? After this, verify this by locating the point in the Cartesian plane. First of all, without seeing. So 2 comma -2 comma 4 with minus and plus point second quadrant without drawing. 3 comma -1 fourth quadrant. -1 0 0 y0 means x-axis. Both are positive first quadrant. Both are negative third quadrant. Verify it. Verify means -2 comma 4. -2. And then will come down. I have drawn this by scale, not using the graph. 2 comma -4. This you see, you are getting at this place. It is the -2 comma -4. So this is which quadrant? What is given? -2 comma 4. No, it is not given. -2 comma 4. -2 is here, and we will go up till here. So it is the -2 comma 4, which is in the which quadrant? Second. Verified. 3 comma minus 1, 3 then minus 1 you are getting, it is 3 comma minus 1, which quadrant? Fourth quadrant. Minus 1 comma 0 on x axis, minus 1 comma 0, minus 1 0, so it is on x axis. 1 comma 2, 1, then we will go here 2, 1 comma 2, first quadrant, verified. Minus 3 comma minus 5, if it is given verified then only you draw, otherwise it is sufficient. Minus 3 comma minus 5, minus 3 then will come till minus 5 here, minus 3 then will come minus 5, so here minus 3 comma minus 5, which quadrant? Third quadrant you are getting. Like this we will get the last question, which is given. Plot the following points in suitable x and y. It is A, B, C, D, E I have taken, choosing the suitable scale. So first of all I have plot the x-axis. Now I am using the graph paper, because here 7 is the maximum y, 8 is maximum in the y, and 3 negative is 1, 8 plus 1 9. That's why I have drawn big line this and small is this. It depends on this. 8 is here maximum and 1 is here given. 8 plus 1 9, at least 9 centimeter you want, 8 positive. And similarly x you see 3 and 2 5, 5 you want. According to this, left side right side you put the values. Now I have seen minus 2 comma 8, 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit I have taken scale. So first point I have taken as A minus 2 comma 8. Why? It is given in the table. Value of x is the first and value of minus 2 comma 8 minus 1 B, C, D, E, like this. So first one is minus 2 then 8. Minus 2, here no need of scale, no dotted. Minus 2 line you go up till 8. Where is the 8? Here. Minus 2, 8 is the intersecting at this place. Put the dot. And then you put the circle. It is your minus 2 comma 8. First point, which is A. I have taken here A. B minus 1 7. B is the minus 1 7. What is the minus 1 7? Minus 1 is this and 7 is this. So it is minus 1 7, which is known as B. C is given 0 minus 1.25. 1.25 is very difficult. Convert 25 by 100. Minus 1.25 you can write 125 upon 100. Or you can write 1 whole 25 by 100. That's give you 1 whole 1 by 4. Means 4 part you divide 1 centimeter. More than 1 whole 1 by 4. So 1 whole 1 by 4 means it is a 2 total half. And half of the half there is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this will be the point, which is, this point will be 0 and minus 1 whole 1 by 4. It is a 0 comma minus 1 whole 1.25, that you can say. 1.25 means 1 whole 1 by 4 I am converting, 1/4 of the 1 centimeter. So half of this light line, then half of half is 1 by 4. 1 3. 1 3 means from 1 you will go till here 3 positive. So it is a 1 comma 3 and this is called the point D. Here this point is called the point C. And last one is given 3 comma minus 1. Where is the 3? This and minus 1 is this. 3 comma minus 1, it is a point E. 3 comma minus 1. Only 2 points are left side, 2 are right side. Very easily you can draw. Very important to see the scale and drawing. If you are not drawing, it is very difficult. You use the graph, scale, pencil, not pen. I am using pen, you use the pencil. So you can rub if it is wrong, like this last question. So anyone, if it is given any other point here given, suppose it is given minus 4 comma 0. Where is the minus 4 comma 0? Minus 4 comma 0, minus 4 and 0. It is given one more point 3 comma 0. Where is the 3 comma 0? This point 3 comma 0. It is minus 4 comma 0. It is 3 comma 0. Suppose it is given 0 comma 5. 0 comma 5 means x axis, it is lies on y axis. x0 means y for is 5 here. It is a point which is gives you the 0, 5. Like this you have finished this chapter. Practice it, and always when you subscribe this channel, then when new video I will give you, then you can get easily. Thanks for today.